guys, and welcome to another episode of Design Talk. As you may know, online shopping is taking over retail stores. Nowadays, it is easy and convenient to shop for furniture online where you can compare prices, get better deals, and are not limited to geography. But before you put in those final digits of your credit card, let's take a look at a few things you should do and keep in mind before buying furniture online. When I work with my clients that are restricted by budget, what I usually recommend is to buy furniture online. However, specific type of furniture. I usually suggest to get hard surface furniture such as end tables, dressers, coffee tables, nightstand, bookcases, and so forth, because even though the furniture may be a lower quality furniture, your physical interaction with these pieces is quite minimal. However, for soft surfaces such as sofas, armchairs, beds, it is a good idea to invest in good pieces because your skin constantly interacts with them on a daily basis. If you do decide to buy, let's say, a sofa online, check your measurements and always go for a deeper cushion for comfort. Also, read the description of what the materials are used for construction. For instance, laminate finish is considered a lower quality than a veneer. Same thing goes for fabric. Try to avoid synthetic fabric and go for more natural and durable fibers. When it comes to color, furniture tends to look lighter online than in real life. So try to pre-order some samples of both fabric and the finish to make sure it looks perfect before committing. For overall measurements, what I usually do is I recommend to actually tape out the piece on the floor with a painter's tape. Walk around and get a feel if it's the right fit. Also, check your doorways, your stairways to make sure the piece can be brought into the room. Last but not least, read on return policies to avoid any surprises, because in case you don't like the piece, you can send it back. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment below if you have any other tips that could be useful, and happy shopping. Bye!